Can you believe it's already that time where you scramble to think of the best ways to say what the heck happened this year? But how do you frame a whole year's worth of stuff into one story? Sure, you could shoot out an email, might be kind of long. Maybe you make a lovely PDF or even print it and send it to people's offices that they probably don't work at. Or, hear me out, you could make a video. Yes, year-end videos come in all shapes and sizes. This is corporate bragging at its finest, but it's also a great way to engage with supporters, inspire your team, and even establish your priorities for the new year. But before you go just start making videos, you should do these 3 things. Number 1, pick your audience. I know this is like the most cliche thing to start with, but it really matters for these messages. How you summarize the year will be different for staff than it is for clients, than it is for donors, than it is for your mother. And will your audience see this at an event or online? These answers change how we approach everything from the video's length to its tone. Number 2, pick your theme. You did so many amazing things this year. For the love of God, don't list them. Do not list them.
Deep fried, stir fried, there's pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp, pepper shrimp.
First, think of a filter, a theme for the year. Was this a year of undisputed triumph, a real comeback, an unexpected transformation, a bit of a do-over? Whatever it is should help you decide what's worth saying and what you can say for the blog. And number 3, pick your format. Finally, decide how you want to relay this information. From big hour-long communications programs to nothing but the hits reels and thank you sizzles on social media, we help all kinds of organizations share their incredible work in all kinds of ways. But what will you do?
Shrimp soup, shrimp stew, shrimp salad, shrimp and potatoes, shrimp burger, shrimp sandwich. That's about it.